my name is Rochester and welcome to another video. How you doing? No, how you doing? I don't know. This video is going to be dedicated to Smile Bright Atlanta, Bobo. You guys know I'm like an ambassador for Smile Bright, right? Lyric, how come my teeth so white? Bruh, it's that Smile Bright now. And oh, I'm wearing a top. Just let me pull this up some so y'all don't think I'm in here filming naked with my windows all open. Good. So let me see like this. Yeah, so I wanted to let you guys know, hopefully I'm in focus. So I wanted to let you guys know that Smile Bright and I were having a giveaway, and let me just jump to the email real quick. So we're going to have two giveaways. We're going to have one for existing customers and another for new customers. So for the existing customer, all you have to do is to post, let me just get this, yeah, so all you have to do, I'm sorry because I just jumped on here without gathering my facts. Can you imagine? Bad beauty blogger. So yeah, so all you have to do is post with your kit and your face. We have to see your face in it. You can't just snap a kit because you know Smile Bright kits can be downloaded off the internet. So you have to post with your kit, and you have to use the hashtag SMILEBRIGHT weekend giveaway. All right, and this will kick off on Friday and it goes through to Sunday. So this giveaway is going to be you guys can post throughout the week. So this giveaway is going to be from the 24th to the 26th. So it starts on the 24th and it ends on the 26th, right? So no, it ends on the 27th. So the 26th is the last day you have to post. So you have until 12 a.m. midnight to post on the 26th, and you have to post that picture and use the hashtag Smile Bright Atlanta. Smile Bright weekend giveaway is what we had said. Smile Bright weekend giveaway. Yeah, so Smile Bright weekend giveaway. So what we're going to do, we're going to just click the hashtag and we're going to just choose a picture at random. We're going to choose a winner at random, and that winner will get $150 Mac giveaway or $150 cash. We haven't decided which one yet, but it will definitely be $150, either Mac giveaway, or you can choose what you want to, or like $150 Sephora card or something like that, but you can choose. So by the time this video goes up, I'll have all the details, the correct details, in the description bar below for you guys. So yeah, so it is, you post with your kit, smile, and you put on your Instagram and use this hashtag Smile Bright weekend giveaway. Now when we choose a winner, we're going to check if that winner is following myself and if you're following Smile Bright. Alright guys, so we're gonna check. Okay, so obviously you have to be following Smile Bright and you have to be following me in order to enter this giveaway, because the winner will come from one of our followers or joint followers. Now the following weekend, we're going to have one for our new customers. So we haven't figured out what that new customer one is going to be about yet, but I wanted to get this video up early, or is it going to be 2 weekends from now? The thing is, we want to give you guys 2 weeks to order. I'm sorry, my neck is itching me, you guys. We want to give you guys 2 weeks to order, like for a new customer, so they can get your kits in on time, so you guys have a chance to enter. So even though you're not a customer or you haven't purchased your Smile Bright kit yet, you still have the chance to. So this one is from this Friday through to Sunday. So it's from the 24th through to the 26th. The last day to enter the 26th on 12 a.m. midnight, and then it ends on the 27th. So on the 27th, no more entries. So at 12 a.m. midnight on the 26th, no more entries. Yeah, so yeah, so that's basically it. That's all I wanted to talk to you guys about. And of course, if there's additional information, anything I didn't clear up, you can definitely check in the description bar below and it will be there for you guys. Smile Bright Atlanta, y'all know y'all my homies, man. Y'all know we go way back, man. We go back like shoestrings. I don't know that term, and I'm still pounding my chest for some odd reason. Okay, that's enough of that. Yeah, so that's basically it for this video, and I'll talk to you in the next one. How you doing? How you doing? You would think that I've been watching Wendy Williams. I haven't. Bye guys.